Hi, DeShan. This is Kim again. All right, I picked a new story. Alex Likes Noise, written by Anne Harth. That's a tough word, noise. Alex lived in the city. He loved the city sounds. Horns beeped and buses roared. Doors slammed and the tires squealed. People talked and children laughed. "We're moving to the farm," Dad said. Alex was sad. "I will miss the city. The country will be too quiet." Alex and Dad drove to the country. Alex stood outside. He listened. Frogs croaked and birds tweeted. Horses whined, or is that whinnied? I'm not even sure. Whinnied or whined, and cows mooed. Chickens clucked and ducks quacked. Alex smiled. The country isn't quiet at all. That was a nice story. See, even when you think something's not going to be good, sometimes it is. Okay, what did Alex hear in the city? Well, let's see. He heard beeping horns and roaring buses and children laughing. What did Alex hear in the country? Well, he heard the horses whinny and the cows moo and the ducks quack. All the animals, frogs croaking. Where is Alex moving to? Well, he's moving to a farm. And how does Alex feel about the city? Well, he really liked the city because of all the noises, but I think he's going to like the farm too. Alrighty, I'm going to pick one more story for you. So we'll talk to you soon.